Hi, it's Vilma for Redesign with Prima, and this time I'm working with this Easter DIY project. This time I will be painting with mica powders directly to our silicone mold. I'm using the set Bubblegum and a pear color from the set Pearls and Crystals. And all you need to do is spread powder evenly over the mold. Make sure the powder fully covers the surface to prevent sticking and ensure a smooth finish. After applying all the mica powder, mix equal parts of A and B of amazing casting resin. Stir slowly and thoroughly to avoid introducing air bubbles. Pour carefully and steadily to minimize bubbles and ensure an even layer. Wait a few minutes before carefully removing the piece from the mold. Do not rush, gently flex the mold to release the piece without damaging it. I will repeat the same process to create a set of 7 small plates in different colors. Now we're moving on to the design phase and apply the new H2O Metallic Transfer named Gilded Spring. This transfer features Easter-themed elements including bunnies and other decorative details. Start by selecting the elements to add to each small plate and arrange them individually. Plan your design layout before applying to ensure balance and aesthetic appeal. Peel out the protecting film. Lightly mix into the small plate a little of water. This is optional. Then flip the transfer so that the gray side is facing you. Next, place your transfer onto the plate and using a cloth dampened with water to cover the entire transfer. Ensure the transfer paper is fully wet. Carefully peel off the paper to reveal the design. I will be adding the rest of the transfers to the other small plates following the same process. Keep the signs consistent and check placement before applying. Once the transfers are applied, you can seal them with different types of sealers. I use a water-resistant, non-toxic Mod Podge and then apply it another water-washable food-safe sealer. If your plan is to use or place some food, cupcakes, cookies, chocolates, or other edible items. Finally, before adding the food-safe sealer, I highlighted all the raised details on each plate using a gilding marker. And this is how these Easter plates turn out. Let me know in comments what you think about this Easter DIY. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel today. And see you in another flip.